Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial, we will know about thread feature. For thread feature, I will create a part. I select front plane, sketch, normal. I select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, rectangle, center rectangle, draw one rectangle here, right click, select option. Go to smart dimension, this side 15 mm, this side also 15 mm. Diameter for this hole, I select 5.5 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extrude it boss base, select it, select this sketch, extrude it up to 50 mm, select mid plane, select OK. For thread, go to feature, select hole wizard, drop down the menu. Here is the option thread, select it. Thread location, select this edge and conditions, blind, depth for thread, I select 20 mm. We are creating tab, so I select metric tab, size for tapping M5.8. Thread method, select cut thread, select OK. Now see here is a problem in threading. The thread is starting from here. To overcome this problem, select thread, edit feature, select offset 5 mm in a reverse direction. When we select offset 5 mm, our thread will be start from here 5 mm away from this space, but this depth will be 15 mm because 5 mm is outside now. So I enter here 20 plus 5 mm. This one is 20 mm and this is 5 mm, 25 mm. Select OK. Now see here, now thread is perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.